How to unsend an email on Outlook app. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can unsend an email on Outlook app. So let's get started. So you can do this on the application as well as the browser Outlook. But for this tutorial, I'm using the application. So what you're going to do is simply open the Outlook application. And one thing you need to keep in mind is that you can only unsend an email if the other person is on Outlook as well. You cannot unsend an email. For example, if you have sent a person any email from Outlook to Gmail, then you wouldn't be able to unsend the email. And the other thing to keep in mind is that you can only unsend the email within a limited time frame. You cannot unsend an email that was sent yesterday. You can only unsend an email after a limited time after sending. So what you can do is simply head over, click on your profile here at the top left, and click on send over here and simply select the email that you wish to unsend. So I sent this email on 6th of March. You're going to click on these three dots over here, and if it is in the time frame, you'll be able to see the option of unsend over here. So you can simply click on that option, and once you do so, the email would be unsent. Another thing to keep in mind is that if the other person has opened the email, then you wouldn't be able to unsend it. So it is important that the other person has not opened or seen that email yet in order to unsend it. So that is basically how you can unsend an email on Outlook app. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.